So when you're having an issue getting your truck out of parking, there can be many different reasons for this. One specific reason that I found in my truck is, so somebody had told me that this was probably going to be the problem. However, I discovered it was this little black thing here. It's not supposed to wiggle back and forth. It's supposed to come straight up and down. So this piece is attached inside by a 3-prong fork that fits like that. However, one of the fork tongs was broken and wouldn't hold this in place. So I attached this wire to the little hammer to keep it from jiggling back and forth until I could get the new piece from eBay.